viewers, Talba Talbat, Assalamu alaikum. I am Asif Nadeem Khilji from Bahawalnagar, Pakistan. Subscribe Computer Tech. Computer Tech लाया है बहुत से programs for ICS, ACS, BCom, MCom, MCS, Computer Short Course, Graphics. So be connect with Computer Tech for latest updates. Thank you.
The difference between abstraction and encapsulation. Actually, encapsulation leads to the data abstraction and data hiding. लेकिन फिर भी abstraction और encapsulation में कुछ comparisons हम करते हैं. It is a general concept, ये अमूमी concept है, formed by extracting common features from specific examples or the act of withdrawing or removing something unnecessary. जबकि encapsulation, it is a mechanism that binds together code and data and it manipulates and keeps both safe from outside interference and misuse. In abstraction, we can use abstraction using interface and abstract class. जबकि encapsulation actually implementation है, we can implement encapsulation using access specifiers, access modifiers like public, protected and private. Abstraction solves the problems in design level पर problems को solve करता है. Encapsulation solves the problem in implementation level. In simplicity, अगर इस आखिरी comparison को हम देखें कि abstraction means hiding implementation using abstract class and interface, और जबकि encapsulation mean hiding data using getters and setters.